Welcome to episode 19 of the Green-Based Wellness series. Today, we'll delve deep into the precious herb known as white oak. White oak boasts a unique flavor and astonishing medicinal properties. Let's explore its taste, effects, and how it can be used in adjunctive therapy and dietary treatments. White oak has a taste that is bitter, warm, and non-toxic. This distinctive combination has garnered widespread attention. White oak is renowned for its remarkable hemostatic and antidiarrheal effects. These characteristics make it an effective solution for many health issues. This precious plant has various applications, including the treatment of malnutrition, intestinal hernias, diarrhea, anal prolapse, and chronic bronchitis. Next, we will introduce some dietary treatment options for these conditions. For malnutrition, use 25 grams each of white oak fruit, acorn, and insect galls, along with 15 grams of malt. After boiling these ingredients in water, divide and consume them twice daily. For intestinal hernias, use 15 grams each of acorns and insect galls. Boil them to remove impurities and consume twice daily. For diarrhea and anal prolapse, use 15 grams each of white oak leaves and dried plum flesh. Boil them to remove impurities, add some red sugar for flavor, and consume twice daily to effectively alleviate these conditions. For chronic bronchitis, use 20 grams of white oak leaves. Boil them to remove impurities and add some rock sugar for flavor. This dietary treatment can serve as a natural method to relieve chronic bronchitis. White oak, as a natural remedy, possesses various remarkable medicinal properties. Please remember to seek professional medical advice before using any herbal remedies to ensure the best treatment outcomes. We hope this episode has provided you with a better understanding of white oak and can help you maintain good health. Stay tuned for our next episode of the Green-Based Wellness series.